2011 TRX 250X. Just stalled out. Anyway, the 2 rows exhaust on there off of a Rhino. See if I can give it a few revs without it stalling out. DG Nerf bars, ambush tires, 2 rows exhaust. That's about it. And well, as you can see back in there, I got the plate made. For it. Go on. From my previous video, I told you guys, welded it up, bolted it in, strapped it down with a hose clamp to the frame. This is just speaker wire because I didn't have the clamp. Yeah. That's about it on her. See, you can see speaker wire. Need to take that off still. Yeah. I think I'll spin up to the yard, maybe see if you guys can show you guys something here. If I can set this here. So yeah, that'd be her.